Hey, what's up guys? I'm installing some Texas speed headers on my 2015 Mustang GT 5.0 liter Coyote. I got these Texas speed headers in the mail today. Took about 2 days for them to get here, super fast. Really good customer service. If you call these guys at Texas Speed, they'll take care of you. Gonna go ahead and unbox these and I'll show them to you guys. I'm not gonna show you guys like the actual install or anything like that. I'll link the video up top that I used as a tutorial. But I'm basically gonna show you some sound clips of the exhaust right now. Currently I have a Roush axle back and a X pipe. So this is going to complete my exhaust, having the Texas Speed long tube headers. And these are like the little connector pipes that connect it to the X pipe. So I'll give you guys a quick before sound. Alright, so we got the headers done on the Mustang and I'm going to show you guys a little sound clip of it. All in all, it was a pretty easy install compared to other cars I've done headers on. My 2000, I think it was like 2008 or 2009 G8 GT that I had. It was a 6 liter. The headers were a lot more difficult on that. I also have installed headers on both of my Trans Ams, and the headers were more difficult on that than this. The trickiest part about this was probably getting the motor mounts loose, but I'll go ahead and give you guys that sound clip. So I'm going to take you guys down the road so you can hear kind of what it sounds like inside. I'll do a clip with the window up and I'll do a clip with the window down. I'm going to start first with the window down and then go to window up. I'll tell you, it's pretty loud. I don't drive the car every day, so it doesn't bother me, but I could see where if you were to daily drive your Mustang and you had this exhaust setup, it would probably annoy you because it is pretty raspy and has a little bit of drone. And I know a lot of people aren't really going for that. RPMs. I'll do it with the window up now. I'll slow down up here. So 6 isn't that bad. Pretty quiet in 6th. It's pretty loud. But I can see where a lot of people wouldn't like this setup. Also, when you get rid of the cats, you'll get a really like fuel smell from the car. So if that bothers you and you drive every day and you don't want to have the car smelling like gas, maybe don't do this setup, but I love it. It doesn't bother me. Pretty loud, good sound. All in all, I'm extremely happy with this kit. You could buy cheaper kits like I think it's the 2M kit that they sell on eBay. but it's like 200 bucks, and I didn't feel comfortable buying headers for 200 bucks. I didn't want to install the headers and have to take them back off if one of the welds broke or it started leaking or something like that. The welds on the Texas Speed headers look extremely good, like good quality. They look like they'll flow pretty well, and overall, you know, buying from a company that's, you know, an American company, that's something I don't mind doing. Another cheap option that people do are the Speed Daddy. I paid like 750 bucks for my headers shipped all the way here to North Carolina. They're Texas Speed, and it's got the catless mid pipes, and overall I love these headers. I think it's a really great sound, and if you're looking to make your car sound a little bit better and get some performance out of it, I would definitely get these headers. But keep in mind, if you're going to do headers, you want to do a tune. I don't have a custom tune on mine yet. I have the SCTX4 with a 93 can tune, but I just ordered a tune, a custom tune for my car. If you guys have any recommendations, drop them in the comments below. If you have somebody who's a really good Mustang tuner, really good with the Coyotes, let me know. I'm open to more options. Again, I'm going to be probably going with a supercharger kit here in the next year or so. Also, you're looking for recommendations because I've been looking at the Paxton, the VMP, the Roush supercharger, the Whipple. I've been looking at them all, trying to figure out what's best for me. I'm not really ready to pull the trigger yet, but in the next couple months, I'll probably be ready to pull the trigger on a supercharger. So drop your recommendations below. Overall, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Let me know what other kind of content you guys want. Keep watching, and have a good day.